This animal looks like a giraffe mixed with a gazelle, but wait until you see how it eats. Meet the Gerenuk, one of Africa's strangest antelopes. Instead of grazing like most deer, it stands on its hind legs to reach leaves over 8 feet, 2.5 meters high. Its incredibly long neck and flexible body help it eat food that other animals can't reach. Even more surprising, the Gerenuk can survive for long periods without drinking water, getting most of its moisture from the plants it eats. Nature designed this animal perfectly for life in the dry African wilderness. Would you ever believe this animal is real? Subscribe for more amazing animal facts.